What did you dream about last night? How did you feel when you woke up today? I had a dream about you last night. Why do they always end the same way? I wanna know what happened last night after you closed your eyes. Was it scary or weird, or do you not remember? Did you want it to end or reprise? You put the postcard I sent under your pillow just to see. I don't care if it worked or what. It's enough that you're trying to dream about me.